Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about TopSolid Update. TopSolid Update is a software from Missler Software that is used to keep your version of TopSolid up to date and running as cleanly as possible. In the coming video, we're going to show you how to use it and what's involved. Let's have a look.
Using TopSolid Update is really easy. There's 3 ways to get to it. First, when you launch TopSolid, it's going to also launch TopSolid Update in the background, where it's going to ping our servers to see if there's any service packs available. Another way would be to just go to your question mark icon in the top right corner and go down to Check for Updates. This also will launch TopSolid Update. A third way would be to go to the Start button down here, All Programs, Missler Software, TopSolid Update again, and you can launch it there. Any which way you do it will get you to the same place. Now, TopSolid Update in this case is going to download all of the service packs necessary to get your version back up to date. A couple of points of interest here. If you click on any of these icons here, for example, I want to read what's coming in SP6 for TopSolid CAM. If I click that, it's going to load into the release notes for this version, which gives you a list of everything that has been modified, corrected, or fixed within this service pack. This is a living document, so this includes all of the corrections done for the software since its release of this version. If you're ready to download, click Download Now. When you do that, it will minimize to your taskbar and it will return once the download is complete. Let's have a look. So here I'm going to click Download Now. As you can see, TopSolid Update disappeared. If I look down here, you can see that TopSolid Update is working. If I click on it, it'll bring it back and tell me how much time I have remaining before the updates are ready to install. Let's let this download for a while and we'll check back on it in a minute. Okay, now that TopSolid is done downloading the updates, it's time to install it. Now, you'll need to shut down TopSolid in order to install the updates. So if you're in the middle of something, finish it first and then install the updates. I find the best time to install updates is over lunch because likely we'll have to check in some additions and modifications to our libraries anyway. If I click Install Now, the software is going to say, hey, you have TopSolid running. Would you like us to close it? Sure, why not? Continue, it'll close TopSolid, and then it will begin doing the installation. I'm going to let this install and then we'll check back on it again in a few minutes. Okay, we're back and TopSolid Update is done installing the updates. Here's what you do next. Click Close. Pretty hard, isn't it? From here, if you had let TopSolid Update shut down TopSolid, it's going to automatically launch TopSolid for you to get you back to work. Now, it's important to understand that with updates sometimes come updates to libraries. Now this was an update based on a fresh install, so there's lots of updates. It is critically important that you hit the validate button here. If you don't, TopSolid will not be running correctly. The check-in of these incremental updates shouldn't take long, a few minutes at best. And once it's done, you're back up and running in TopSolid.